Good morning, students. Today's topic is the continuation of application of definite integral miscellaneous exercise. Today we will start the miscellaneous exercise. Now, starting with very first question. Find the area under the curve. Find the area under the curve. The first part we are doing. The curve is y is equal to x square and x is equal to 1, x equal to 2 and x axis. Now we have to find the area under the curve. This is the ordinate and x axis. As usual, we will draw the graph of this portion. As usual, we know that this is the parabola. This upward parabola, and this is between x equal to 1, say this is x, and this is x equal to 1, this is x equal to 2, and we have to find the area between this point from x equal to 1 to x equal to 2 and between x axis. Using the formula, area is equal to y dx a to b, and putting the value of y, this is x square dx, limit is equal to 1 to 2, x cube 1 to 2 dx by 3 and 1 upon 3, 2 cube minus 1 cube square unit, 7 upon 3 square unit. The next question is, it is very interesting question. Sometimes students confuse. This is question number 4. They have given written there, sketch the graph of y is equal to mod x plus 3. Yes. And evaluate the value of curve minus 6 to 0 x plus 3 dx. This is the y. Now, first of all, we will define this. This is the modulus which having two cases, either it is positive or negative. Okay, so y is equal to this, so you can write it here. One, it is positive plus x plus 3, and x is greater than or equal to minus 3, and it is negative when x is greater than is less than minus 3. Okay, so we have to draw the graph of this also. Just see the graph. Now x, the breaking point is minus 3 here, and it is we are taking minus 6 to 0. This is 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Okay, and it is positive and less than minus 3. This, and it is the breaking point is minus 3, it is 0, and this is x equal to minus 6. So that we have to find the area of this portion and this portion. So limit will be minus 6 to minus 3 and minus 3 to 0. Minus 3 to 0. using the formula area is equal to minus 6 to 0 x plus 3 mod dx divided into two part minus 6 to minus 3 and minus 3 to 0. And in the first case here this is negative when it is less than minus 3, so this is minus x plus 3 dx, and this portion will be positive when it is greater than or equal to minus 3, it is x plus 3 dx. So we will divide this g minus 6 to 0 two part minus 6 to 3, which is my negative portion, this portion negative, and minus 3 to 0, that is positive portion. And now we will calculate this x square by 2 plus 3x minus 6 to minus 3 and x square by 2 plus 3x minus 3 to 0 minus 3 to 0. Applying the condition, in further calculation, the first portion, this is minus 9 by 2 and plus 9 by 2, final answer is 9 square unit after calculation. So this is interesting. When it is given mod, so you have to break the limit into that mean point, either positive, negative, whatever is the result. One another question of trigonometrical portion. I will take question number 5. Find the area of the curve y is equal to sin x. That is curve given in trigonometrical function y is equal to sin x between 0 to 2 pi. Yes, it is interesting. As usual, in every question you have to draw the diagram. Diagram gives you confirmation, the correct way to solve the question, and also in examination the diagram also having some marks. We are very well aware about the curve of sin x, okay? We will draw here. This is pi by 2, this is pi, 3 pi by 2 and 2 pi. And we have to find the area of this portion and also this portion, because the limit it is given between 0 to 2 pi, 0 to 2 pi. We can see here these two portions are very symmetrical, so we can find the area of this portion only in twice the required area twice of 0 to pi y dx, and value of y, which is sin x dx, sin x dx, and value of sin x is minus cos x, minus 2 cos x, and 0 to pi, cos pi minus cos 0 is minus 1 and 1, finally 2 and 2 4 square unit. So there is important, the graph is important. Okay. One more question. From miscellaneous exercise, and we know that this year the some portion are deleted by CBSE, so we are taking only those questions which are in syllabus, and you know that area between curve, it is not in syllabus this time. On one more question, question was 16 I am taking. Area bounded by the curve y is equal to x cube. This is the curve y is equal to x cube, and x cube, the x-axis and the ordinate, x equal to -2 and x equal to 1. X equal to 1. We must know about that the area of curve. We have to draw the diagram again as usual, and it must be between -2 to 1. It is 1 here, 1 and 2 here. Now y is equal to x cube graph is like this, and this is between x equal to 1 to -2, so lower, it will lower part like this. So we have to find the area between the x equal to 1 and this x equal to -2. This portion and this portion. So required area is equal to y dx a to b. We have to take. Now there are two portions. So first is, you know, that from 0 to 1, 0 to 1 y dx, and second portion that is from -2 to 0, -2 to 0 y dx, and it's x cube dx, and the value is x to the power 4 by 4, 0 to 1, and this is again x to the power 4 by 4 -2 to 0. After calculation of, okay, now this is 1 by 4 plus 4, finally is 17 by 4 square unit. These are some questions I have solved from the miscellaneous exercise. Okay, do it, and again you can ask your in the WhatsApp group the remaining questions. Thank you.